Hello, welcome back everyone. On this video we're going to show you how to use a snatch ring. This is a snatch ring. All of you know what the snatch block is. This is a snatch ring, is made of an alloy. You can see a plus minus the size of it. You use it in the place of a snatch block to recover vehicles with your winch rope. Go around this, and then your soft shackle goes through this, but this we're going to show you today and give you a better idea how to use this. This is not available in our country at the moment. We need to import this, but I think one of the days it's freely available. So yeah, I think that is worth your while. Go and buy yourself one. Yes, and this is what happens when you forgot to put your microphone on. Here you can see our setup from a 9,500 pound winch. The synthetic winch line is running all the way up around the snatch ring and then coming all the way back down to the vehicle again. Attached to the vehicle, this will give the winch double its strength basically. Yeah, you can see it's against quite a steep incline with crossovers. You can't really see that on camera. Here we are using a chain connected to both sides of the line, and we are not using any jersey, sandbags or jackets. I believe this is the safer way to do it. It's an easier way because the chain are moving with the rope when it is winched in, and then all the way up again to the tree. Here you can see the proper setup again, the snatch ring that will turn when you switch the winch on. This is our tree trunk protector going around the tree, back to the soft shackle again. And the soft shackle is attached to the snatch ring, and the synthetic winch line is going around the ring. From the side it looks like this. Here you can see if you switch the winch on, the snatch ring is turning. There's a lot of people that say there's a heat buildup. There's no heat buildup. If it's maybe 0.01 degree heat buildup, yeah, there's not really heat buildup on this setup, none whatsoever. Winch line is turning, and it turns the snatch ring. This is a view from the top that you can see how it works. Winch is on again. A quick look at the setup here, how it was attached to the tree. And there you are. This is the winch ring turning while the vehicle's being winched up the steep incline. This is a quick view of how it was attached to the vehicle again. There you can see the vehicle is moving. Winch line was moved with the chain. Please subscribe to my channel and join me for more videos.